The 2015 Dodge Challenger. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this car refuses to compromise. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.